introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jeline Kainay, 29 years of age, married with one kid, 5 years old. I have 4 siblings and I am the 3rd child of the family, and I am college graduate.
Okay, where do you live?
I live at Barangay Pinagalingan Grande, Pasig City, Iloilo.
Okay, do you have any experience abroad as a
No,
domestic
ma'am.
helper? Okay, please tell me about it.
I had 4 years work experience here in the Philippines to a couple with 2 children, aged 5 years old and 3 years old. And I do all household chores like cleaning, cooking, marketing, gardening, and washing clothes. And
What is your main duty?
my main duty is to taking care of their children.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any surgical operation before?
No, ma'am.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, ma'am, to be able to send my child to school, to earn and to build my own house.
If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My husband, ma'am, and my mother.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
I usually sleep at around 10 p.m. after my work is done, and I wake up 5 early in the morning.
Okay, are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In Hong Kong kids, the kids, they're super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient, ma'am, and understanding to them.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Do you have any allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relative, and friends of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you afraid of cats and dogs?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
First, ma'am, I will check the temperature and I will call the employer immediately.
Okay, do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am, and I will extend my contract as long as my employer needs me.
Okay, do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me an example.
Itsy bitsy spider came up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope that you select me as your helper, and I promise that I do my best